John Deere 50. It's got power steering and a roll-o-matic front end. Been sitting for a while. I've had it running before. Guy that owns it is wanting it running again. He's got a potential buyer in it. Pretty straight old tractor. Anyway, this is a video of it trying to start. It was running whenever I parked it back in here. This old tractor is, you got to do a lot of grinding on it to get it to fire. I don't know. I'm sure the carburetor needs to go through, and we may end up doing that before we sell it. But let's just see if we can get it to hit a lick and go from there. Fuel don't look real good. I have to flush it out probably. But now this thing has a oil pressure line here. It opens the valve. Once it builds oil pressure, there's a valve in there that'll drop down. That'll allow fuel to start coming in here. And then you got to fill this up. And once the fuel fills that, it'll run down this tube into your carburetor. But let me see if I can get it to spin over, and we'll see if we can get that plunger to drop and see if we're moving fuel to it. So here we go. Hold on. Always forget to take the can off. Now, that'll be better. Let's try it now, y'all. There we go. There we go. Now as it backs off, see there, the plunger pulls up as we lose oil pressure. So I think that fuel's got some water in it. But anyway, might be why I had trouble getting it to crank. Alright, here we go. I'm going to set y'all over here, and we're going to do a long run start, see if we can get her to go. Alright, be back. Alright guys, here we go. We know we're getting fuel through the sediment bowl. But now if it'll go through the carburetor, that'll be our next guess. So what we're going to do is just spin it over and spin it over until we either get fuel, fire, or a dead battery. We've been there before. Here we go. Alright. We got our choke. Full choke it. We don't need full throttle, so we'll back that off a little bit. Just crack it open. Alright, here we go. No luck. I can smell fuel. I can tell it's old. Pretty sure we'll just have to go through the carburetor. Just drain the tank, put some fresh fuel in it. I need to check for spark. I think that was one of the issues I had last time, is spark was kind of hit and miss. Still got the points in it. Probably need to sand those down. That'll work. Looks like we've got a bird's nest in the radiator. But well, we couldn't get it to run the other day. I knew the last time I had it running had a little bit of a miss. I know it's got old gas in it, and they take care of that still. But we went through the points, took the points out, cleaned them real good, got the spark back. So let's see what we got now. prove it to you. 400. Look right here. Look right here. Looks like 350, 400 all day to me. Got plenty good spark. Okay. As some of y'all may know me, I can't leave nothing alone. If I can make some noise with it, we're gonna make some noise with it. Now, I don't know if you notice anything different here, but yeah, you noticed by now. I done told you. But here we go. Let's see what the old 50 sounds like with no muffler. Ain't that something? Just a little pipe there, right? Muffler slid down over it. Let's see what it sounds like. This ought to be interesting. Power. Oh my. No. They all should have come from the factory straight pipe. Thumbs up if you agree. Wow. Well, now you know I gotta rev it up. Here we go. Oh my. Got some fresh fuel running in the old 50. Solved part of our hard start issues. Now that we got the points set right, we got good fresh fuel running. A little walk around here and let you see this this nice piece of American iron here. But yeah, it's a nice tractor. It's no doubt. So here you go. out of gear. Here we go. Alright, I'm going to show y'all a startup of this John Deere 50. Clutch disengaged, it's in neutral, we got power. It's got a kickstart over here. Hand throttle. This here's the coat. Clutch, engage, PTO, disengage. Alright, let's put it in gear and go for a little ride. Start this, select the gear, take the parking brake off, ease up on the hand clutch, and off we go. Well guys, that's going to conclude the John Deere 50 getting back running. I believe it's going to be sold, so we got plenty more projects. Yeah. And then we got another John Deere over here. Now that's a hoss. 820. I've had it running too. It may be the next video. Who knows? Stay tuned.